the setup for this job. So it's a jig, or it's going to be a jig for an electronics company, something to do with testing high power resistors. Cutting air, making sure I don't hit any of the fixtures before we start. In this session I'm going to zero the tip of the spot drill on the job using my optical method. Down we come until the tip of the tool meets the shadow of the reflecting light behind, and that's Z0. Just squirted some biodiesel and kerosene on the top surface, and away we go. I think 18 of these holes, and then there's another 78 or something like that with the smaller holes to do, so I'll just count it off. Just drilling the 74 diameter 2 holes, ready to tap them in 2.5. The pain in the neck is I've got to tap them by hand every 74 holes, what a bugger of a job. This is using a 3mm carbide end mill to machine all the slots. One of them's about a little hole about diameter 6 by maybe 3 deep. A couple of slots that are 1/2 millimetre deep, and a little dog leg thing that fits off the side of this hole that is 1 millimetre deep. Okay, zoom out a bit here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is the finished part. I'm really pleased with the HSM Express, and I've struggled with it for a few days, and I finally got the programming sort of understood. I've still got a lot to learn, but that milling operation with the 3mm end mill only took about just less than 8 minutes. When I started off simulating, it was taking me an hour and a half, so I did improve slightly. So I'll pull it out of the jig now, clean it up, tap the 74 holes by hand, and job's ready for the customer. This is a manual tapping operation. This is a tapping aid that I made on the CNC mill a long time ago. It works very well. Here's the, see if I can zoom in on that, there's the shaft with a hole drilled up the end of it, a couple of little grub screws in the side, M3 grub screws, and here's another one over here. Get the general idea. Bit of 1/4 inch hex on the top, rub screwed in, and they work really well. There we go. I'll just do a couple. This little group just here. Uh-oh. Can't reach it. Yes, I can now. Just. I love my spiral fluted taps. This is the finished product after a light linish and a degrease and clean up, ready to go to the customer.